So what is the Legacy Builder program and who is this program perfect for? So the Legacy Builder program is ready for anybody who is ready to learn the digital skills that they need to learn in order to make passive daily pay from home and learn how to make recurring income while you're building your email list, while you're building your income. With this program, you get to learn how to do your income producing activities with only 2 hours a day. It's beginner friendly, and I can truly say that it's the best program that I've seen out there where you can learn and earn at the same time. We're going to teach you how to make $900 a day. That's over 300K a year. Can you imagine? This is like life-changing money. You also get live and interactive training. You get 24/7 tech support. Our goal is to help you to make more in recurring income than you do in your recurring bills. Can you imagine? I mean, did you know that you have money coming in every single month, enough money that will cover all your bills for the month? With the money that we're going to teach you how to make in this program, you can fire your boss, you can, clean up any debt that you have, credit card debt, school debt, whatever kind of debt you have. You also don't have to be taking a calculator to the grocery store anymore. We give you your website, your funnel, and your emails already like 95% done for you. So these are just some of the perks that you will get in the Legacy Builder program. If you think this is something that you would be interested in learning more about, then comment ready, and I'll be more than happy to send you information so that you can learn more about this program, okay?